Microwave cleaning is not really easy, and especially after usage where your curry and all gets splashed around, it becomes difficult to remove it off. So for that there's a very simple solution I will show you all. First we'll remove this plate, the base of it, and then the rolling thing. Then in a bowl I will take baking soda like this, take a good amount, add vinegar. Once the bubbles have settled down a bit, add dishwashing liquid like this, and then add hot water. So when you add hot water, because the mixture is already on a normal level, so it will not be that hot, but still just check before using the scrubber. Now here I am just taking the scrubbing thing and just wiping it all around. It's not that I'm forcibly scrubbing it or something. So as you can see in the fast forward mode, I'm just wiping this mixture in the full microwave in this way. So we'll just wipe it even on the dough side, and that's it, done. So I'll just take a light colored cloth to show you actually how much of the dirt comes out easily without having to scrub and all. Okay, so once I'm done with the door area of the microwave, I'll show you how the cloth actually looks. See, and then this is it. Now on the top portion, see, the cloth turns out very dirty. So basically just wipe it with a cloth and then take a normal cloth and dry wipe it. So this is the after look of the microwave. Isn't it cool? So if you found this hack useful, do share it with others and do leave in your comments letting me know how was it. For those who are new, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.